अन्नामिडार्था शून्यम ज्ञान कर्मादि अनावृतम आनुकूल्येन कृष्णानुशीलनम bhakti-uttama. Do you understand? Rupa Goswami says, you will develop uttama bhakti, pure bhakti, prema bhakti, annamidasta sunyam, jnana karmadi anabhrutam, anukulyena krishnanushadana bhakti-uttama. By hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, develop such prema bhakti, immediately you develop attraction, strong attachment to lotus feet of Krishna. So simultaneously, his attachment, very strong attachment, what he has towards this material world, towards the objects of sense enjoyment, immediately transformed into the lotus feet of Krishna. It's gone. Do you understand? How can one? We are materialistic person, modern man, has a very strong attachment to this body relations, material world, objects of sense enjoyment. How can he develop attachment towards the lotus feet of Krishna? How will it be? How? If he can't see, then he hears Srimad from the right source, then he can understand. Then he will develop such attachment, strong attachment. Do you understand? He will give up all his desires. Annamidasta sunyam, jnana karmadi anabhrutam, anukulyena krishnanushlanam bhakti-uttama. Now he is free from desire of material enjoyment, desire of material liberation, anukulyena krishnanushlanam. Then he can understand, who am I? Oh, I am Krishna Das. How can one understand he is Krishna Das? He has become Maya Das for lots of lives. Unless he comes and hears Srimad Bhagavatam from right source, bona fide source, Bhakta Bhagavata, he cannot do it. And hearing from this, then you understand, oh, who am I? Oh, I am Krishna Dasa. Do you understand? Nija tattva jani ar sansar na chai, kena ba bhojinu maya kore hai hai. Kende bole, hey Krishna, ami tabadas, tomar charana chhadi hoinu sarvana. Hearing, then develop, understand, oh, I am Krishna Das. Then he says, alas, why I have become Maya Das for so many lives, lakhs of lives, suffering here in dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, drowning. Do you understand? Nija tattva jani ar sansar nasai, kerala bhajinu maya kore hai. And says, alas, why I have become Maya Das? I am not doing Krishna bhajan. Kende bole, hey Krishna, ami tabadas, tomar charana chhadi hoinu sarva. Then will cry. Before Krishna. Krishna, I am your Das. But disregarding your lotus feet, not taking shelter at lotus feet, I am doomed here in this material world, dreadful and materialistic existence. Do you understand? Ainannatanuja kinkarang patitamma visami bhavamburu kripaya tava pada pankadasida dhuli sadrisa vijintaya. This is the prayer Mahaprabhu has taught us. Mahaprabhu is supreme teacher. Krishna is Krishna, but he came as Sadhguru, Acharya to teach us. What prayer will you offer at the lotus feet of Krishna? Ainannatanuja kinkarang patitamma visami bhavamburu kripaya tava pada pankadasida dhuli sadrisa vijintaya. Oh Nandatanuja, son of Nanda Maharaj, I am your kinkar, I am your servant. Somehow I am fallen here, dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, and I have been drowning here from time immemorial. Please accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Let your servant serve you. Toma nitya dasutama karuna seva. This is the prayer. Then he is free from all desire for material enjoyment, desire for liberation. How to become Krishna Das. Do you understand? Anyo vancha anyo puja chari jnana karma vancha anyo puja chari jnana karma anukuli sarvendriye Krishnanu silana আনুকূল্যে সর্বেন্দ্রিয়ে কৃষ্ণানুশীলন এই শুদ্ধ ভক্তি হইতে প্রেমা শুদ্ধ ভক্তি হইতে প্রেম পঞ্চরাত্রে ভাগবতে এই লক্ষণ কহে পঞ্চরাত্রে ভাগবতে এই লক্ষণ কহে ভক্তি মুক্তি আদি বাঞ্ছা যদি মনে হয় ভক্তি মুক্তি আদি বাঞ্ছা যদি মনে হয় সাধন করিলে প্রেম উৎপন্ন না হয় সাধন করিলে প্রেম উৎপন্ন না হয় চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত শেষ হ্যাঁ অন্য বাঞ্ছা অন্য পূজা ছাড়ি জ্ঞান কর্ম আনুকূল্যে সর্বেন্দ্রিয় কৃষ্ণানুশীলন আনুকূল্যে না কৃষ্ণানুশীলন give up all desires for material enjoyment, desire of material liberation, just favorably serve Krishna. This you render loving service that give you pleasure, happiness to Krishna. Don't aspire for any pleasure, any happiness for yourself. Do you understand? No. Only aspire for all pleasure, happiness of Krishna. That is Anukulyena Krishna. এই শুদ্ধ ভক্তি হইতে প্রেম হয় দিস ইজ শুদ্ধ ভক্তি পিওর ডিভোশন দিস ইজ প্রেম ভক্তি ডেভেলপ কৃষ্ণ প্রেম পঞ্চরাত্রে ভাগবতে এই লক্ষণ হয় ভাগবত স্পিক্স পঞ্চরাত্র শাস্ত্র স্পিক্স দিস ইজ দি সিম্পটম অফ প্রেম ভক্তি ভক্তি মুক্তি আদি বাঞ্ছা যদি মনে হয় সাধন করলে প্রেম উৎপন্ন না হয় ইফ অফ অদার desire for material enjoyment, desire for material liberation, still you are doing sadhana, you cannot develop prem bhakti at all. No.